All right, welcome. Got quite the audience today. All right, so we're going to be launching this app in, not too long from now. um, so we're looking forward to it. It's going to be fun. Today, I'm just going to walk through a little bit around like getting started, right? So, what are the things that you might be doing when you first hop into the app? So, once you log in, you get taken to the home screen. And so I'm going to go through how to create a community in the brand new app launching tomorrow. Um, so once you're on the home screen, you'll see a few things here. So now I already have a community created. And so we have that underneath this jump back in, which you wanted to have so it was easier for you to jump back into your communities, right? So let's hop into the actual communities tab, and you'll see that this loads pretty quick. We've been working on trying to get the performance of this loading as quickly as possible. And so from here, all you need to do is when you first join, you're not going to see all of these communities under your communities. This is just because we've been testing this a lot. But when you first get in, you'll see this plus sign on the bottom right. And so what you want to do is you want to click on that. And this is how you start creating a community. And so you can put your community name, whatever you want to call it. I'll call mine Vice City after the new GTA 6. Let's go. And then from there, you can put a description. So this will be like RP around the new GTA 6 coming in a year. And it's not coming soon. And then you get the option to choose your privacy. So we didn't really, everything before in the previous website was all what we call private. It meant like there was no way for people to go and search to join your community. The only way was for them to enter the like 6-digit code, right? And then if that code got like leaked, then anyone could join your community. So we have reworked this entire thing. And so now you have the option to keep it as the way it was before, where it's completely private. Nobody else can see your community. You control who sees it. Or we have the way that we suggest, which is public. So public here means that anyone can find your community, but that does not mean they can interact with your community. So all of the actions are still restricted, but it's now actually public. And so we'll select public here. And then we added some platform tags. This was a great suggestion from a member in our Discord who was asking, how do I find people that are playing on Xbox? Or how do I find people that are playing on PlayStation, right? So now when you create a community, you can select the tags that you want associated to your community. So if maybe you're in all three, right? Then you could select all three. I'm playing on PC right now, so I'm going to have mine be on PC platform. And I'll show you where that shows up once we create the community. So here, let's go ahead and create the community. Vice City GTA. Cool. Okay, so now under your communities, if you scroll all the way to the right, once this loads here, Vice City GTA 6. So that's our brand new community. Now, I got quite the list here, right? That's actually a lot. So if you go to this See All, you'll now get a refined list of all of your communities. And then from here, you can search Vice City GTA 6. So if you start getting to like a lot of communities you're a part of, you can quickly sort and filter here, as well as you can also show which ones are owned by you. So you might have like a long list and you want to see, well, which ones do I own, right? Then you can just select show owned. Cool. All right, and the last thing I wanted to show was the tags, right? So on that last screen, when we're creating the community, you're able to select which tags you wanted to have associated with your community. And so this helps when maybe people are browsing and they want to see, well, what's available for PC. They can click on this and they can browse all of the PC communities that exist. So again, it's like we wanted to make this very customizable for the user. And that was something that we did not have the ability to do before, but now we do. And so now you can go ahead and search by a specific tag. And it works for all of these. So you can search Xbox, PlayStation, or PC. And in the event that maybe you created a community and you're like, shoot, I forgot to select something, right? We wanted it to be easy for you to modify those later on. So if you click on your community, you can see that this is assigned to the PC tag here. Now, if you go into settings, there we go. You can go to community settings. You can also change your photo here as well. If you go on edit, right? Now you can change any of the details, right? You can make it private. Maybe you have all the people that you want in your community and you don't want anyone else to request to join. Then you can make it private. As well as you can now select multiple platform tags. So maybe you accidentally did not select Xbox, or maybe now you're only doing Xbox and PlayStation. You can click save, and the new tags will be assigned to your community right away. So that's pretty great. Let me know if you got any questions around how communities work, how to create them, how to change settings. This is all new, right? This did not exist before. And it took a lot of work to make this much more customizable. So any questions or, any feedback? We're still working on making this better, right? This is just our very first iteration. So if there's things that you want to see us add later on, let us know, right? We're always looking at making things better, quicker, faster, and more customizable. So we absolutely are. We're so excited. I didn't want to take too much of your time today, but we're very excited to launch, starting tomorrow. So we're going to be launching 6 a.m. Pacific time, 9 a.m. Eastern for anyone that wants a specific time. I don't know what that is on like the, across the pond over in like the UK area, but hey, you know what? You could type in those times and you can find the app. So this will be available on both iOS and Android starting tomorrow. And we're looking forward to hearing your feedback. If you like it, please leave us a feedback on the App Store. So as we're new to the launch, right, anything that you can do to give us a good rating. I mean, fair. I'm not even asking you to give us a good rating. Just give us a fair rating around what you think the app is, and that'll go a long way, right? And I'll appreciate that as well, because we'll hopefully get more people to use this than we did the website, and also get your friends to join, right? We have a brand new friend system. As you can see, I have a couple friends. They're not online right now, but we got a brand new friend system, and we're going to be making that even better as we move on. But for now, you can find your friends. You can send them an invite, and if they accept, then, well, you got friends now, and they'll show up here. It'll also show up when they're online. And so you can see when you join, hey, who's online? What are they up to? So, yeah, that's just a brief view of what we're kind of working on. And, looking forward to launching tomorrow. So that's all I got. With that, I'm going to go ahead and end this specific live stream. But, yeah, we look forward to hearing from all of your feedback. Any sort of new suggestions you have, just let us know. And, take care and have a good rest of your day, and we'll see y'all tomorrow.